Hey everyone, TradingView is the preferred platform for Topstep traders who want professional-grade charting combined with the power of a funded account. While Topstep now defaults to their proprietary Topstep X platform, you can still bridge your account to TradingView by using TradingView as the middleman broker. Step 1. Open the trading panel. We are starting at the Execution Hub. We do this because TradingView hides its broker connections in a slide-up panel at the bottom of the chart to keep your workspace clean. Open any chart. At the very bottom of the screen, look for the Trading Panel tab next to Strategy Tester and Pine Editor. Click the white Trade button or the arrow to expand the broker list. Step 2. Select and search for TradingView. Now we are defining the broker bridge. We do this because Topstep uses TradingView's routing servers to process your orders in a simulated live environment. In the search bar that appears within the broker list, type TradingView. Hover over the TradingView logo and click Connect. Step 3. Enter credentials, the demo rule. We are performing the secure login. This is the most critical step where most traders get stuck. You must tell TradingView that your account is a simulated professional account, not a personal retail account. A login window will pop up. Select the Demo tab at the top of the box. Do not use Live, even if you are in a funded account, as Topstep servers are recognized as demo or simulation servers. Enter the specific Topstep username and password found in your Topstep dashboard or welcome email. Step 4. Verify the sync. We are finishing with data confirmation. This is the step where you ensure the handshake was successful and your capital is ready to be traded. Once you hit Connect, the trading panel will transform into your account manager. Look at the bottom of the screen. You should see your balance, equity, and open positions perfectly synced with your Topstep dashboard. You can now trade directly from the chart using the buy, sell buttons or right-clicking on price, and your orders will be instantly reflected in the Topstep or TradingView ecosystem. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.